he has written, I was very much surprised to see that in the first, my whole life, I have not seen the people carrying such a huge load on the head. Got it, no? So he described how he traveled from Bicholim to Ramghat. So Ramghat connectivity is from this village, Mavlinge. Got it, no? So now you will going to ask me where this road existing. So go to the place called Latpi. In Latpi there is a place called Chiktan, where you will find 400 Narayan Dev is there. Got it, no? To search the Narayan Dev, you require my help only. Now nobody local also knows that such a huge sculpture of Narayan Dev is inside the bushes. Got it, no? So it is belonging to the period of the Kadamba. So the Narayan Dev which you can see in the Mulgaon, the same type of the Narayan Dev is there at the place called Chiktan, where you know Sonar Bhat is there. So most this village also you will find got it, no? Kasars, coppersmith were there. Coppersmith later one became the Bengal seller. Got it, no? So this village has the Brahmin. Got it, no? Karade Brahmin, or what you call Padde Brahmin. This place. Then you have the people belonging to the various caste, subcaste. All Bara Balutedar were there in this village. So today you will find only few communities are left. But once upon a time, all Bara Balutedar, artisans, craftsmen were there in this village because it was a prosperous village. So when there is no model before the government to provide the development in a sustainable manner, then you can see the people will live in the poverty, ignorance. Got it, no? So main problem of this village is the land ownership rights. After liberation, got it, no? When Bhaushat Bhanodkar, he introduced the beautiful act, got it, no? Kasil Taki Zameen. So because of that, people are holding the right over their land, but the rest of the land belongs to the Mokasdar. So this is the apathy, got it, no? Very painful issue of this place.